In this video, me and my friend Gear 2 used the Blizzard Fruit just to see how good it is. Alright, all the bosses are respawned, so let's go.
Yeah.
Is it doing any damage to him, bro? Just so you know, this game is just cooked, bro. Wait, does this do damage? Well, I'm pretty sure this is damage. Wait, this does damage. I just go spam this entire time. Wait,
Oh wait, that's not.
Alright. Yo, I can't even see him, bro. Oh. Alright, and boom, just like that, he's gone, bro. Alright, let's go. Yo, I feel like how they remade this person and made them look better.
Yeah.
Alright, I need them to get out of the house, bro.
Oh, I got you.
Because like all my moves, like, you know. Is that even a thing?
I know Venom is good.
Bro, if bro transforms into an actual Venom thing, bro, that'd be fire. Bro, we still got new Venom, bro. This is the first we haven't done, bro. Boom. Yo, we're not getting to 250 in this video, bro. We're at 182 right now.
Oh, okay.
Boom. Alright, wait, we're at 195. Wait, we're going up higher and higher each round, okay? We actually might be able to make it. Wait, give me.
You missed it, yeah. Get past it.
I don't know what you're talking about right here. Blizzard! Okay, well, that just went down great.
It doesn't have a V2, right?
What does?
Blizzard?
I don't think so. It is an elemental fruit though, so. Nice cook. Literally, okay? Because fire. My bad.
Yeah, that would be bad.
Yo,
okay.
this guy just did not get damage from my attack anymore. Alright, we're at 207, but we actually could get the final one, bro. It's time to clap cheeks, bro. I missed one of my attacks right. I don't know how to play this game, guys, so I'm sorry if you think this is bad gameplay. But if you snooze, you lose. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but probably not, though.
You think so?
Because I'm max level, bro. So there's just like no way that they had to that. Yeah, I haven't played this game in how long, though? Oh god. I forget how much damage these guys do later on. Yo, where is this guy, bro? Please say you die. He died. Bet! We're at 224. Alright. Alright, this kid is almost cooked, bro. That's a pretty good amount of damage. Okay, he's dead. We're at 237, bro. Alright, meet me at Captain Elephant. Bombaclat! You missed! Oh, that's nice. Yeah, we're at 237, bro. Not mastery.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have this tornado over. Why is he going for me? I'm not even the one doing the most damage to him. This guy's a hater, bro.
I don't know.
This guy's a G1 hater.
I hate the fruit user.
Yeah, probably. Can't blame him though. Ow! Yeah, why is he going for me, bro? I'm not even the one tagging right now. What did I do?
That's kind of crazy.
Yeah, I think this guy is really mean. Ow. Yo, we're at 246, bro. We're gonna make it to 250, bro. Cake Queen, bro.
Yeah.
My question is, does Cake Queen got that cake on?
No.
No, we're about to find out, okay? Don't lose hope. Nope, you're right. She does not.
I missed out. My name.
Yeah. Raise your You're gonna do majority of the damage here, bro, because I low-key can't do anything, and I can't see anything.
My bad.
Don't forget to turn on the dodge thing with E. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep sending her against the wall until she believes me. Why is it actually working, bro? Why is it actually working, bro?
No way.
Yo, wait, I think we broke the system. Yo. No way! There's no way that works, bro. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. I don't know what this move does, so. Oh! Yo!
Oh, is that following me?
Yo, nah, that's insane, bro. You're cooked. Hey, that's actually crazy, bro. Wait a minute. Wait, that actually does damage, bro. Yo, like, I can fly too, bro. Like, what are you doing, bro? Nope.
No, I can't do anything.
Oh, yeah?
Oh.
Ah, shucks, am I right? No! No, no, no! Ugh.
No!
Yo, I have so much aura, bro. Yes!
No, 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 no!